Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you create and delete chat backup permanently on WhatsApp from Google Drive. Alright, so here, let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots on the upper right corner and tap on settings. So here, tap on chats and tap on chat backup. So to create a backup, just tap on backup. Now, your backup is going to be saved in your Google Drive. Now, to delete a backup, you can go ahead and open up your Google Drive. Tap on the three bars on the upper left corner. Tap on Backups. And here under Other Backups, you have your WhatsApp backup. So if you want to delete this backup, you can tap on the three dots and tap on Delete Backup. Alright, so that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.